G'day DIYers. This is what I'm doing here is just a splashback in the job I'm doing. We needed to move the tub along so it's out of centre, but so there's enough room for a washing machine and dryer. They're about 600 wide each, and that opening is about 655, 660. So there's a bit of room either side. So that's cool. That was just a bit of glue. Yeah, take that off as you go. But this whole job, I did the ensuite before Christmas, and now I've done the bathroom, toilet and laundry. So once I've finished this, I'll zap into the floors, grout them up, and then I can silicone. But while I'm waiting for the grout and everything to dry, I'll be packing my tools away, tidying up, then I silicone, and that's the job done. On to the next tomorrow. Tomorrow's I start a bathroom, I waterproof that, bathroom, toilet and a laundry. And I think it's white tiles again. They're pretty popular in Australia at the moment. But they're only about $14 a metre, and they are absolutely bloody brilliant. They're a good tile. They're well sized, they've been cut nicely. They're a ceramic, not a porcelain. They're a cut ceramic. To go down there, I've got to get a sponge. So I'll wipe this off. Now that edge, you just paint down to it. When you're painting, it doesn't matter if you get a bit on your face like that, you just wipe it off like that with a damp cloth. So it's easy to cut in and everything. And there we have a, it took about an hour I suppose. There we have a one hour splashback. Okay everyone, I'll see ya, bye.